Okay, we often get asked, how do we clean our pedals? Obviously these get dirty quite often, as you can see. Now these are probably one of the things that most valeters will miss, or new starts, is the pedals, which is, to me, is quite vital as part of every valet we do. So obviously the few things we've got to use is a G101. This is from Barnton Chemicals and it's Multi 101. We've got a Lothian soft bristle brush, a stiff brush for Viking, and just a microfiber cloth. And we'll just get to it and we'll just show you how we do it. So what we usually do, we just squirt the pedals, let it get a wee couple of seconds to soak in, just to loosen up all the dirt and make it easier. You're probably wondering why we're actually spraying the pedals and instead of hoovering it. We try and clean the pedals first, because then the muck, it lands on the carpet or the mat. There's no point hoovering the mat and the carpet and that, then clean the pedals, and all the muck and shit dripping onto the carpet and the mat. It's just pointless, because you're giving yourself double work. So get a wee spray, get a wee scrub. Also the brakes got to be one of the cleanest ones. Go and cross hatch directions with the pedals. And so what I do is you just get a wee spray after I've done it, just to try and help to remove it. Mind around the side of the pedals as well, because you don't obviously sit with your feet fully on the pedal, you usually sit at the side. Spray onto the Lothian brush, in the back of the beams, or whatever the hell they're called, stems, metal holders, whatever you want to call them. I'm not entirely sure what they're called. Brush. And just get a wipe. Then you normally just hoover it out. Alright. And there you can see that's them all cleaned.